embassy appointment.
Go on, Jogi. Yes, I. Yeah, I look fresh in the morning, yeah. I look happy. Oh, I go on with you. Boy, you want to see Brookie? You know, say, I don't have the corner shop there, I run going, go get few things, because I have a little errand I want to run. You understand? Yeah, man, I have a little errand if you go run. Yeah. Yo, wash it. Who nice shop there? Wash it. Forward there. I want that too loud, but yeah, I want a little one squeeze a toothpaste. Yeah, if you buy it. Understand? Yeah, I have a little business where I want to take care of, so I want to fresh up my myself. Yes, I and sell the quarter of bread there and a stick of butter. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, man. And no ginger tea there. Like the ginger tea bag. Them thing them here talk out. Yeah, man. Mhm. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, I have somewhere we no want to go that even want to talk too loud. Because bush have ears. You understand? So, those guys them think they make the eye run go on still, Yeah, man. Yes, Brokey, you're fresh up fast. And we are run go so. Why you want to say? It's a taxi no want to catch you now for reach up our embassy. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, I did sort out. But think to see if we can get, a little visa there, man. Yeah, man. So, yeah, run go up our embassy this morning, yeah, man. It's a 9 o'clock appointment me have. Yeah, but as you know, me like not me like go in place early, man. Me don't like the late business at all. If me even have to go and sit down and wait, Yeah, man, worse them place there, you have to go early. Yes, man, because crowd did there, man. Yeah, man, understand. Yeah, man, crowd did there, so I have to forward up there early. Yeah, man. Why you want to see? I hope forget it, because nothing now go on. Yeah, we just there. Nothing now to go on. You know? And I never want to there till I get involved in any trouble and thing, Yeah, man. So the I would want to get through still, So me could have able to go away and see what me can do for help myself and thing and my little family them and thing, I'm going to be the one out of the family get a little one boss. You understand? So me kinda depend on it, you know. But them hard up at the embassy, they still, man. Yeah, man. But me have all my documents, them and thing, and, everything line up, and, me, the JP, give a little one talk for me and thing, So, hopefully, me we get through, because he's a good, decent citizen, you understand? So, hopefully, me get through, man. Yeah, man. Boy, me really want God help me with it, man. Me I tell you, man. Yeah, man. So, that's why I'm not even the two are say nothing. You understand? Because sometimes, your own mouth mash you up, you see. You have things and you better not tell nobody, because it's like when you tell somebody, the thing goes crash. You understand? So that's why, me I keep it to myself. But do me so happy this morning. You understand? Me have to just tell me brethren them, because uno can't do nothing again to stop me. Yeah, man, because you see, from God have a thing for you. No matter what go on, them can't stop it. You understand? So I am hopeful if you get through still. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me feel nice this morning. I mean, I tell you, say, last night me dream and see all ripe banana, ripe mango and all these things. And me hear say, when you dream about ripe things, a blessing star. So, me I hope, forget it. Because the ball is in their court still. Yeah, man. Not my court. And when the ball is in their court, you have to ease yourself. You can't too overjoy. You understand? But you don't know me already. me like, me like happy. Yes, yes, yes. Me is a man, me always dey on the happy side still, no matter what I go on. So if me even go, to get it, me no feel no way because the ball is in their court. You understand? So me not go make that detour me. You understand? Me go just go and juggle and see if me get like a site work and thing like that. Cause you don't know me is not a man with too like sit up on the corner. Cause the corner them not too good nowadays. You understand? You can't dep on the corner and anything happen. So more time me not have anything to do, me just go and stay home and build, and go and watch some TV and dep on my phone. If me hear about any little work, like a construction work, me do it, and thing like that. Yeah, man, sometimes I get a little tiling work and me's a jack of all trade. You get what I say? Yeah, man. Me try to learn every little thing, because time hard. Yeah, man. Come here tell you say all this morning. Nothing go on like one little squeeze of toothpaste me could have able to go down to the shop go get for my toothbrush. Two things tight. Oh God man, I tell you things tighty, tighty, tight. Nobody now to give away nothing again because everybody a ball. The boss a ball. Say nothing now go on. Workman a ball. Mummy a ball. Auntie a ball. Brother a ball. Nobody now nothing now go on, boy. Yeah. So, wouldn't mind, something turn around for me, man. Yeah, man. Because me is not a lazy man. Yeah, you understand them thing there. So if me not get through with the visa still, me have to go check one of them politician brother there and see if they can get a farmer ticket for me. You understand? It never too late. You understand? We're still in the age bracket, when we can get a farmer ticket. Yeah, man. I know something when me like because me hear them attack say they work hard over there for picky apple and the strawberry and all these things. So every two want to do that and thing, but you don't know me already. Me have to do something. You understand? Because me not like when nothing now go on. So would I take it still? You understand? Yeah, man. So just go and hold it, later because me there you talk too long. See all the taxi there. Taxi, hold on there. Yeah, man, hold on there, bros. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on, man, I'll take a taxi there. All right, later. Yeah, hope everything work out for you. Yeah, man, hold on the taxi, hold on. Yes.